the audio in there?
I can't give you beauty. I'm mobile. Call me.
This is because it just fell. The sun was. So, there's the flower.
All right, let's jump right into this. I think this was the first scene of the day. So we started off in the kitchen area with the dad because this is one of the few scenes that takes place during the day. Yeah, so the toilet was running, which kind of screwed up sound, but not too bad because there's no dialogue in the scene. So yeah, they're adding blankets and carpets to the living room just to help eliminate some of the echo that the whole house was projecting. This is Kate's dungeon. The director, Kate, we set up a wireless monitor system for her. Actually, it was a TV that was in the house that we ended up just hooking up the transmitter to. It worked okay. It wasn't transmitting the LUT that I had on, so she couldn't really see the color, but she could see the framing and the movement and the performance, so it worked for the most part. So right now I think we're talking about the sun, how much sun we have left, how much or how fast it's going to go down. Luckily we ended up shooting everything we needed to film before the sun went down, so it kind of worked out. Also too, when it got dark, we didn't have to like black out the windows for the night scene. That's my boy CJ. He's our key grip. He was kind of providing me some support so I don't bump into anything. Yeah, so my lighting approach was very simple, especially for this living room scene. I essentially just wanted this to simulate like top light from above, the fan lights or whatever. Here we're auditioning some bounce, really more so to cut light or kind of create some shadows and texture on her face. I don't think it worked out. We ended up not doing it. This is simulating outdoor light from the street lights. Doing a little blocking, rehearsing with the actor, Mia. She was great, by the way. Kate just watching, approving of my choices. She's a director, so she has final say over everything. In this scene, we had CJ acting as the focus puller, aka tapping on my automatic focus, which a lot of people, you know, I know a lot of people have their feelings and thoughts about autofocus, but when you're working on a low budget and a small crew and time is very important and you have to get everything in one night, you don't have time to be picky and you use the things and the resources at your disposal. So I'm not opposed to autofocus and I'm not opposed to manual focus. I use both.
I have some from back here. Like you on the couch, you know.
Could I get someone's help really fast though?
No.
Yeah, just be where you like. Wherever you
He's kind of tall. I'm a short king, so I had to get a step ladder to get the shot we wanted.
Yeah, it'll be like this, and then I want to make it a little more.
Kate's directing. Can it be a little more that way? Again, this was like a shot that was supposed to be on the gimbal, but you know, this scene was very emotional, And I like the camera to reflect people's emotions, so handheld was appropriate for it. And that's it. We pretty much are finished and we're just putting everything away. All right, guys. Well, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.